Aloha. I just wanted to share some of the latest experiments with the Orgonite, and I expanded it to use this is a Tibetan quartz in here, if I can find the camera name. Tibetan quartz. I just made it so it's pointing upwards. This one is just the Orgonite, agate tourmaline, Orgonite heart shape. These pieces just have magnetite is the black color. Each one has crushed up shells inside, and then it has this one has a piece of quartz, little piece of quartz, copper filings, and this is the design. This one has it's a tiger's eye in there. Tiger's eye, regular quartz, Arkansas Quartz, and some agate, spiral, copper spiral. This one is just the heart. It's just a heart. One of my cards for the website, and just the heart design on there. And this one has a spiral on it. Same design on the other side. This one is just another version of the other Orgonite, but this one also has gold on the inside, and that's a Sri Yantra. I'll pull it off in a second. It's this Sri Yantra pattern inside of there. So I'll start first with the crystal, as you can see, and it pointed straight up just to see if it was going to do anything different. And so generally, I guess the patterns are pretty much the same all the way around. And this was also only after 1 day freezing it. I figured if it's going to freeze overnight, I figured the pattern is already set. It doesn't really need to be like a number of days. I guess if you leave it in there more days, it might kind of protrude out of the top. Because this one is, if I would have let it, let's see, it's not much or anything at all really. There's a definite pattern there. This was the heart design. This one has a little bulge at the top. I found the lens. Thought it was going to be more sunlight over here to give it more of a reflection, but maybe it looks better. It's getting cold. This one. Oh, yeah. This one has like an actual dome shape in there. You can see the dome. Wow. Hands getting cold. But I guess you can see it from here if I don't pick it up. You can see the dome in there. I'm gonna do more designs with the dome one now, and check it out. So let's use my sleeve. Doesn't matter anyway. So yeah. Actual dome in there. And this is from this one. In here, and I'll take it out so you can see what it looks like. Close up. This is the coolest one. It's a basic copper spiral, tiger's eye, Alaskan Quartz. It's the white pieces. It's turquoise there, and then the rest is just mixed agate. And the result is clear results here. I'm really happy with this one. Out of all the other ones that I've done in the past, you can actually see like the formation of the little dome in there, and even on here on the side, like the inside of there. It's really cool. And it's smooth, not like the other ones. They're just kind of like spiky outwards, and that's really cool. So this next one is let's get cold. Hold it in my hand. So yeah. So the comparison with this, with the spiral, look at this one right here. So that's this one. They're pretty much the same. This one has a little more definition to it. More like the tourist design. It has kind of like the little like curve upwards right here. You can see this one just really just doesn't have many of those. It might be the spiral. It's really cool. And then this one. Oh wow. So this kind of just like exploded. This one was bulging out of the side of the bowl. So this is the bottom part. This was directly underneath the design, or on top of the design. And it was like bulging out of the side all the way through the top. And this was the only one that had gold in it out of all the tests that I've done, or experiments that I've done. And this would be the only kind of like reason right now that I would assume that it went to one side like this and just kind of like really was really intense to one side. Yeah, and I'll show you the design. Actual. Just scotch tape on this. So this one. So you can see that there was Sri Yantra design, little gold leaf on there, just scattered in there. Turquoise, mixed agate, and the Alaskan Quartz, same design, but this one has a way bigger spiral on it. I'll produce this one. Yeah, so once again, this was just the regular crystal. And this one, Tibetan quartz. And I want to show the dome one again. The other ones are basically the same, but there's a good close-up of the dome. So you can see the definition there. But there's even like little patterns on the inside, like the little ghost patterns on the inside. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's blurry or not, but there's kind of like a little cool little patterns in there. Tiny little variations in the design. Really cool. Started to bulge out a little bit too, you can see. So, and this one was the heart. There's a little bulge in it too. This is a heart-shaped design. This one. So, that's it for these experiments. Do your own experiments. Leave a comment or links to other experiments would be cool. So until next time, peace, love, harmony.